message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a power plant operator, Talon Energy, reported a catastrophic cooling system failure at the Susquehanna Steam Electric Station, resulting in an active reactor overheating event and potential radiological hazard. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for all residents of Luzerne County and Columbia County within a 20-mile radius of the facility. For your safety and integrity of your home, turn off all appliances, lights, and faucets. Shut off all heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Lock all windows and doors. Gather all household members immediately. Gather essential government identification cards and clothing to last for a minimum of 7 days. Bring essential medications if prescribed or if needed in case of an emergency. Carpooling is strongly encouraged to reduce traffic congestion. Limit transportation to one vehicle per household if possible. Domestic pets that can be easily transported may be brought with you. All other animals and livestock should be left sheltered with adequate food and water. Evacuation routes are as follows. For residents in Luzerne County, proceed north on Interstate 81 to exit 178, and follow signs toward the Wilkes-Barre/Scranton International Airport Reception Center. For residents in Columbia County, proceed west on Interstate 80 to PA Route 147, south then take PA Route 45 west toward the Wellspan Evangelical Community Hospital reception area in Lewisburg. Law enforcement officials will control traffic along designated routes. Listen to local emergency broadcast stations for further instructions and updates.